Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine at home. So, today I'm here with my new video that is on building language skills in English. What is language? Language is innate. We are born with the capacity of language. There are 4 skills that we need to develop for language learning. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. We need to focus on all these 4 skills. As you can see in this picture, we hear with our ears, that is listening, and it is giving input. And we speak with our mouth, that is output. We read with our eyes, again it's input. And then we write with our hands, that is output. So these are the 4 English skills. Now let's start with the definition of language. Language learning is a basis of all communication. It is an active process which begins at birth through listening. In early years, children's language development happens informally. It involves understanding and expression. Understanding comes first. Spoken language develops first, followed by written language. Spoken language and written language development is related and dependent. Any difficulty with spoken language will affect written language development. This shows that listening, speaking, reading, and writing are interrelated. Learning to read begins with our ears. Yes, spoken and written languages is based on sounds. Here are a few terms that are related to language learning. Phoneme, phonics, phonetics, phonological awareness, and phonemic awareness. So, here are some interesting facts about English. Despite there being just 26 letters in the English language, there are approximately 44 unique sounds. So, we have 26 letters and 44 sounds. Now let's see how these sounds are divided. There are 5 vowel letters A, E, I, O, U and 21 consonants. There are 19 vowel sounds and 25 consonant sounds. Now let us discuss all these sounds one by one. Let's start with 6 short vowel sounds. Apple, cat, a, egg, bread, e, ink, busy, I, orange, wash, o, mug, blood, book, pull, o. So these are the 6 short vowel sounds. Now 6 long vowel sounds. Table, break, a, teeth, seat, e, pie, fly, I, goat, snow, o, few, you, moon, shoe, oo. So these are 6 long vowel sounds. Now 5 R controlled sounds. Ka, park, R, corn, horn, or, turn, bird, verb, fair, square, air, fair, deer, ear. So these are the R controlled sounds. Now 2 diphthongs sounds. A sound that is made by combining 2 vowels, specifically when it starts as one vowel sound and goes to another sound, like coin, boy, Oi. Ouch. Cow. Ow. So there are a sound that is made by two vowels. Now 18 consonant sounds. Bat, rabbit, b, dog, ladder, d, fish, photo, f, girl, egg, g, hat, who, juice, giraffe, j, kite, school, k, lion, bell, l, man, hammer, nest, no, pear, apple, p, rat, right, r, sun, circle, s, tiger, button, t, van, off, v, water, whale, v, yuck, yellow, y, zebra, cheese, z. Now let's talk about the 7 digraph sounds. These are the two letters combined to make one new sound. For example, chair, touch, ch, ship, station, sh, thong, with, th, that, they, the, what, when, v, sing, think, ng, vision, jaw, j. So, for building language, we must need to know all these sounds, all the 44 sounds of vowels and consonants. This will help us to build our language. Also, we should know that different letters can make different sounds. For example, CH. In chair, it sounds like ch. In Christmas, it sounds like k. And in machine, it sounds like sh. Now, here are some words like sat, hat, mat, rat, map, rap, rip. So here, s, r, m, p. These are the phonemes, the sounds of the letters. It's not always one letter, it might be a cluster of letters. Now, to know different sounds, we can do different things. For example, rhyming. Let's take one example, mop. Can you tell me what are the other words that rhyme with mop? Yes, it's hop, pop, top. So with this, we know the first letter sound, right? M, T, R. Another example is alliteration. Like, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. She sells seashells by the seashore. Now here, the sounds of first letter in each word. P, 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 s, sh, right? Now next is syllables. So we can hear the syllables in the word. For example, clap your name. My name is Neha. So when I clap my name, Neha, it is consist of 2 syllables. Can you count the syllables in your name? So count how many syllables are there in your name. Learning to read does not start with letters and sounds only. But learning to read starts with listening. So, my dear students, you all need to listen first. What is phonemic awareness? It involves spoken language and is mostly an auditory activity. You do not need printed material to practice phonemic awareness. You just see and feel the sounds. Phonemic awareness, it is the ability to hear and manipulate sounds. So my dear students, start listening. So here again, for developing our phonemic awareness, we have some activities like isolate sounds. Example, chair. Now what's the first sound you hear at the beginning of the word chair? Yes, it's ch. Next word is dog. Can you tell me what's the sound that you hear at the end of the word? Yes, correct. It's g. Now let's do one more activity, that is segmenting. Here is a word cat. Let's count how many sounds stretch out the word. Cat. K, a, t. So there are 3 sounds, right? Now let's take one more example, and the word is sheep. Let's count the sounds. Sh, e, p. How many sounds are there? Yes, there are 5 letters, but 3 sounds are there. Sh, e, p. Now, next we can do is blending. If we have sounds f, e, sh, can you guess the word? Yes, it's fish. So, we can hear the sounds and we can blend it to identify the word, right? Now, one more activity that we can do is to manipulate sound. For example, if we have a word like chair, now let's take off the ch sound and add f sound and tell what's the new word. Yes, it's fair. So these are some activities that you can do to build your language, correct? This will help you to understand the different sounds, and sounds will help you to build your language for listening, speaking, reading as well as writing. Now, at last, I would like to tell you about the alphabet, that there are 3 different things about all the alphabets. First is the sound of a letter. How does it sound? Like the letter A sounds A. Second, the name of a letter. What is its name? Its name is A. And the third one is the form of a letter. How does it look? How you write it? Correct? So, always remember these 3 different things. Now, at last, once again, I would like to tell you that we can build a language by using our eye, mouth, hand and ear. We use eye for reading, mouth for speaking, hand for writing and ear for listening. You can build your language skills with all these activities. You can blend words, build vocabulary, practice spelling skills, use tiles to build word families, play with similarly spelled words. My dear students, there are so many languages, and to learn a language, we need to go to the roots. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Stay safe, stay happy.